Hi guys, I'm Mike from Tech Mobile, and in today's video I'll talk about improving your phone's battery life and performance. It will be a bit longer than usual, but really useful, so make sure you watch until the end of the video so you don't miss out on anything. Okay, let's get started. Okay, the first thing you want to do is turn off your GPS and Bluetooth connections when you're not using them. These are features that draw a huge amount of battery. An easy tip is to turn it off whenever you're not using it, because most apps that use GPS or Bluetooth will automatically enable it when you want to use it. Okay, swipe down twice, and here you can see Bluetooth and location. Just tap on them to turn them off. Next we're gonna set a static wallpaper. Go to Settings and open the wallpaper. Here you can see a lot of wallpapers, but don't choose a live one, because these draw a lot of battery. Just use one of the statics. Auto brightness automatically sets screen brightness according to the daylight and low light condition, but it consumes a lot of battery juice. Okay, now we go to the control center to deactivate auto brightness. Here it is already turned off and can save up to 10% an hour of battery juice. Adjust the brightness until the level is so it remains just bright enough to read. Digital Wellbeing tracks a lot of data from your phone and is draining the battery. If you're not using it, it is best to disable it. Okay, let's disable it now. First we go to Settings, Digital Wellbeing, and Manage Data. Okay, press that and make sure this tab is disabled. It is possible you can't find the Digital Wellbeing tab on your Xiaomi device, then you may find it in your System Apps list. System Animations is used to make MIUI 12 appear more elegant and attractive, and for that it draws more energy from the battery. In MIUI, by default, the animation is turned on, and it drains the battery faster. It is better to disable it and save battery juice. How to disable it? We go first to Settings, Additional Settings, go down, Accessibility, and here you can see Vision, press that, and Remove Animations. You need to enable Remove Animations, and now it's turned on. We can also remove even more animations within the developer options. But if you haven't enabled developer options, you can watch my other video here on how to enable it. I will also put a link in the description to this video. Okay, now that developer options is enabled, we go to the Settings and press again Additional Settings, and on the bottom Developer Options, and scroll down to the Drawing section. So way down. Okay. Here you can see animation scale for window, transition, and animator. You need to turn off all three of them. And that's it. The Xiaomi smartphone automatically synchronizes user data with your Google account and consumes more data and battery consumption. By default, this feature is enabled on your Xiaomi smartphone. However, it is important for apps like email or Facebook, but turn it off when not needed. Okay, go back to the main settings menu and find Account and Sync, and just turn off the auto sync data. This will conserve data and battery usage. Okay. For the last tip, I will enable the Ultra Battery Save mode. We just go back again to the main menu and find the battery. And here you can see Ultra Battery Saver. If your battery is almost empty and you want to make sure your phone doesn't die when you still need it, you can enable it. It turns your phone in just a basic phone, deactivating all functions. See, Ultra Battery Saver restricts most power consuming features and decreases your device performance in order to leave basic functionality. So it's enabling it. And now you can see it's just a black screen and the basic apps, but you can also add apps of your own. Okay guys, that was all for this video. Thanks for watching till the end. I hope you enjoyed this video and that it was helpful for you. If so, please leave a like so more people can find this video, and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. See you next time!